Hi student, I am Deepak Verma from Golden Public School. Today we are going to study Glimpses of India chapter of class 10. The first part of this chapter is A Baker from Goa. The chapter contains three parts and the first one is A Baker from Goa. So let's know about it. Bakers of Goa known as Patter means the people who were the bakers of Goa, they were called Patter. In old Portuguese days, the people of Goa ate loaves of bread. Now these laws, my dear student, these laws have disappeared. Means nobody eat them, but their makers are still there. The furnaces also exist there even now. The oven type. The sound of the traditional bakers' bamboo can still be heard. The people can hear the sound of that bamboo. That was the means related to the traditional bakers. Someone of the family still carries the business. These bakers are known as Patter in Goa even today. My dear student, even today they were known as Patter. The bakers used to be the author's friend and guide, means author writer's friend. Means the baker, those who were just selling their loaves of bread, they were author's friend and guide. He used to come twice a day, means baker used to come twice a day, two times. He comes to sell the loaves of bread. The sound of his bamboo woke the author and others from sleep. Means early morning he used to come. And the sound of the bamboo woke the author and others from sleep. The author used to run to him for bread bangles. Means the voice also there, jung voice also there. The maid servants used to buy loaves and carry them inside the houses, and he gives the loaves just like bangles. The maid servant also used to buy loaves. The baker came with jung sound of his bamboo staff. It was the sound of his bamboo. One hand supported the basket on his head. One hand. With one hand he supported the basket that was on his head. The other banged the bamboo on the ground, jung like that. The baker would place the basket on the bamboo. The author and others would look into his basket. They would eat the loaves with hot tea. Yes. Means loaves were being eaten at that time with hot tea. If we got today, we also just would like to taste like this. They would not brush their teeth. Instead of brushing their teeth, they just take the loaves with hot tea. Importance of bread. What is the importance of this bread? The baker was very important for all occasions. Marriage gifts were meaningless without sweet bread called bol. Yes, my taste. If sweet bread, which were called there bol, if they are not there, means the marriages they are just meaningless for them. Sandwiches, cakes, ballins were made with the bread also. The baker of bread seller of the past had a peculiar dress. It was known as kabai. Okay, the dress that was the peculiar dress and it was known as kabai. It was a single piece long frock which they used to wear. Means the pader they just used to wear long single piece frock. It reached down to the knees of them. It is similar to half pants of today, just like we used to wear the shorts and half pants like that. The baker usually collected his bills, means money, at the end of the month. Baking was a profitable profession. Baking was a profitable profession in olden days. The baker and his family never starved. Means they never seen any hunger. They were having the money, they were having the big plump, means like a fat body and stomach also. Their fat bodies shocked that they were happy and were not poor at that time. Now, the story ends because I told you this chapter, Glimpses of India, contains three parts. The first one, Baker from Goa, is completed. Okay, my dear student, watch the video again and again to understand the chapter and this part. Okay, my dear student, thank you very much.